Pringles potato crisps start their journey from carefully selected high-starch potatoes grown on large farms. These potatoes are harvested and transported to highly advanced food processing factories where the transformation begins. First, the potatoes are thoroughly washed using high-pressure water systems. This removes all dirt, stones, and impurities to ensure only clean raw material moves forward. After washing, they enter industrial peeling machines that remove the outer skin with precision, leaving smooth potato flesh ready for processing. Unlike traditional chips, Pringles are not sliced directly from raw potatoes. Instead, the peeled potatoes are cooked and mashed into a fine, smooth paste. This mashed potato mixture is then blended with ingredients like starch, rice flour, and seasoning bases to create a consistent dough-like texture. Once the dough is ready, it is rolled into thin, even sheets using heavy industrial rollers. These sheets are continuously moved on conveyor belts, where machines ensure uniform thickness for every batch. The next step is shaping. Specially designed molds cut the dough into the signature curved shape of Pringles. This unique hyperbolic shape is what makes Pringles stackable and prevents breakage inside the can. After shaping, the chips are fried in hot oil at precise temperatures. This frying process removes moisture and gives the chips their crispy texture and golden color.
We're seeing a slight deviation here on the thickness map.
Yes, localized stress near the edge. Let's increase the oscillation frequency.
Confirmed. Levels are nominal?
Once fried, the chips enter seasoning drums where different flavors are applied. These can include classic salt, barbecue, sour cream, or cheese flavors.
We have an anomaly in the consistency data right here. I see it. I'll recalibrate the sensor. Moisture and thickness are optimal. The quantum alignment seems precise this cycle. Yes, the calibration worked. We have a
The heat map shows consistent coloring on the latest batch.
Yes, well within the golden spectrum.
The uniformity levels look excellent on Sector 4. Yes, the seasoning application is well within tolerance.
Got it. Keep them coming.
Keep the line moving. We need this truck out by sunset.
Bring the next pallet up. I have room for 10 more cases.
Morning. Got the Pringles delivery for aisle 3.
Great, just pull it over there by the Reds.
Look at all these options. Let's get the original flavor.
Yeah, I want the sour cream and onion one.
Okay, grab that too.
You should try the blue one. It's really good.
Maybe next time. I'll get this red one.
Nothing beats classic Pringles.
Here you go, sweetie. Thanks, Mom.